Californians. I'm so glad to be here with you today. We have...
Why do my fees keep going up? Why can't I get in my classes? Why is it taking me 6 years to graduate? And why did you cut people's medical care? Cutting funds for the elderly and the disabled?
I have to fix the deficit. Isn't that what you elected me to do, to fix the deficit? You know the Republicans won't let me extend the taxes unless everybody takes deep cuts in exchange. That's the only way we can balance the budget.
I didn't elect you to slam the door on my education.
What was that?
I didn't elect you to slam the door on my education.
Jerry! Oh my God. Jerry! Father, is that you? It can't be. You're dead. It can't be you, Father, my God.
Disappointed me, Jerry. You're destroying my legacy, Jerry. You're destroying the legacy that I left behind as governor of California.
What do you expect me to do? What can I do?
You've destroyed the master plan that I created. I am your father. How could you do this to your father? I created the master plan for higher education that guaranteed free higher education to all students in the UC system and the California State University system. How dare you destroy a legacy like that? I set up the system that guaranteed access to 1/3 of California's graduating class in the California system, and you're destroying that legacy. The California state system is the engine that drives California's economy, and now you're driving California into the ground. Jerry.
What do you expect me to do, Father? I'm only one man. I'm only one man, Father.
Write down what the budget cuts are doing to you and send them to Jerry.
You tell him what
Write
you
them
want
down.
him to do. Make your demands to the governor. Write down what you want the governor to do right now on a piece of paper. Write down what you want the governor to do. Tell the governor what you want him to do. Restore the budget to the CSU. Tell him what the budget cuts are doing to you. Tell him how you're not getting your taxes. I mean, you're not getting your classes. Tell him how you're not getting your classes, how you can't graduate. Tell him how your fees are going up and you're not going to be able to stay in school. Give us some money. Give us our money. Give us our money. Tell them what you want. Write it on a piece of paper right now. Tell the governor what you want him to do. No cuts. No cuts. No cuts for the CSU. 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 No cuts for the CSU.
No cuts for the CSU.
No cuts for the CSU. When you have it, send them to Jerry. Wad it up and throw it at him. Send your request to Jerry. Tell Jerry what you want him to do.
Wait 1 minute. Hold on. Hold 1 minute. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. All right. May I say one thing? Let me just say one thing. I can only do what the people want me to do. It's about the people. We live in a democracy. This is about the people. We live in a democracy of the people, by the people, and for the people. You have the responsibility. You have the responsibility to organize. You have the responsibility to contact your representative. You need to send out emails. You need to make phone calls. You need to organize. You need to march. I'm only one man, and I I am leaving it in your hands. Call your state representatives. Deal with the Republicans. Make sure the tax increase is on the ballot